Hello, my name is Christian Bolt and today I'm showing you the Z6 Nikon Filmmakers kit. Now what's great about this kit is for one solid price, you get a camera, 2 batteries, you get a lens, you get the FTZ adapter for the Z6, you get a Ninja Atmos 5-inch 4K 60 frames per second recorder, you get the Moza Air 2 gimbal with this that keeps it extremely smooth. And then you also get the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus. So basically you're all set up to start making music videos or doing basically any video project right out of the box. All you really need to get is a SD card for the camera itself. Now I've had the opportunity to be able to shoot with this for a little bit. I think my favorite mode is Inception mode just because it's kind of crazy what it's able to do. This kit has good value to it. If you don't have a lot of gear or you're looking to upgrade a lot of your gear and this kit has some of it, you do save a little bit of money and you get it all in one box. If you're looking for a full kit, this is definitely something to look at or consider just because everything comes in the box ready to go. Also, here at NormanCamera, we are now renting out these kits. Anyways, this kit retails for $3,996. We have these available at NormanCamera, so please come in and check them out.